In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language to British English on Grammarly. If you write for audiences in the UK or Commonwealth countries, switching Grammarly to British English helps you get consistent spelling, punctuation, and style suggestions that match regional conventions, like color instead of color and organize instead of organize. Let's walk through the change together so your checks line up with the tone you want. Start by opening Grammarly in your web browser and signing in so you can access your settings. Once you're in the Grammarly editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Account. This takes you out of the document view and into your profile and preferences, where Grammarly stores all the customization options that shape your writing experience. Inside the account area, find and click Writing. This section controls how Grammarly evaluates your text, including formality, tone, and language options. It's where you can tailor Grammarly's behavior so the feedback you see reflects what you actually intend to publish. Next, open language settings. This is the hub for regional language preferences and spelling rules. Changing settings here won't rewrite your content, but it will adjust the guidance and corrections Grammarly offers as you type, which is exactly what we want. Within language settings, look for the dialect option. Dialect tells Grammarly which variety of English you're aiming for, and it influences spelling, some grammar preferences, and certain punctuation norms. Selecting the right dialect is a small step that pays off across emails, reports, and creative writing, helping you sound consistent and credible. From the dialect choices, choose British English. As soon as you select it, Grammarly updates your preference and applies British conventions to your checks. You'll notice suggestions align with UK spelling, hyphenation, and style. For example, it will recommend behavior, center, and traveling, and it may guide punctuation around quotation marks and dates in ways that are common in British writing. This is particularly helpful if you follow UK style guides or write for organizations that require British standards. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to your account, opened writing, gone into language settings, found the dialect control, and set it to British English. Grammarly saves this automatically, so your preference will carry over wherever you use it, from the web editor to supported apps and extensions. If you ever need to switch to another variety, come back to the same dialect setting and choose the option that fits your audience.